Hello everyone. Today I introduce you our factory mini excavator model SD17E. This excavator has lifting height 3.3 meter, digging height 2.5 meter, digging depth 2 meter. This excavator also have a Yangma engine. And also this operation are very easy. This pilot control and seat are very comfortable. This have hydraulic cylinder, have high force, excavation high force. This have a very strong and standard design. Also have magnet steel material and can changeable accessories attach more function.